Hey, welcome back to my channel. AWOW Mini PC Windows 10 PC Stick. Excellent processor and OS, Intel Celeron J4105, comes with Windows 10 pre-installed. This PC stick can run office, design, entertainment and game etc. applications very smoothly. Great mini PC for education, personal office, home theater. Fanless Design. This fanless PC stick has special material fanless cooling system designed to have quiet and stable performance when in use to ensure fast and reliable performance without overheating. Support 4K at 60 Hz, mini DP and HDMI 2.0 output support for real Ultra HD 4K resolution playback at 60 Hz. External gain antenna. Better and stronger signal than built-in antenna to ensure faster and more stable performance for online connectivity. 2.4G and 5.8G Wi-Fi, 802.11 BGC 5.8G plus 2.4G dual-band Wi-Fi, BT 4.2, very convenient to connect other device to the mini compute stick. Dual-band Wi-Fi design, faster and more stable. Check out the video description for updated price. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and hit the like button.